Good morning or afternoon, you guys. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend this weekend. We are getting so close to the end of the school year, and we are so proud of how hard y'all have worked. This week and next week, we're going to be talking about fact families, and that was part of the assignment that you guys did yesterday was making your own fact families. So I'm going to show you mine, and then we're going to represent our fact families with different objects, which is the assignment that you guys are going to turn in on Friday. Okay?
So if you guys remember, fact families are 3 numbers where you can create addition problems and subtraction problem using those same 3 numbers. This is one of the ones that I made using 4, 5, and 9, and I did it in the shape of the house like you guys have seen in class and like we've done it before. So you guys see that I have 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. I've made my numbers, all the 5s one color, all the 4s one color, and all the 9s one color. In the roof of our house, we have the 3 numbers that we're using. So I have 4 and 5 on the bottom and 9 at the top because it's my biggest number or my sum. After I have all my numbers in my roof, I'm just going to make my number sentences in the bottom, just like we do in class. So I have 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. And I want you to pause the video right here and talk with your parents. What do you notice about the pattern of these numbers or where the numbers are in the number sentence? Do you notice anything that's the same or anything that's different? So go ahead and pause and talk about it before we move on to the next one. I made another fact family paper so you guys could see a different way of doing it. This is how I saw a couple of our students do it as well. We still have our triangle with our sum or our greatest number at the top and our 2 smaller numbers, or also called add-ins, at the bottom because we add those 2 numbers to get the top number. And then on the left, I did my addition and my subtraction problems, and again I did the same colors for each number so I could see where my numbers repeated and how they switched back and forth with each other, how their places switched. One thing that I noticed in the previous picture was that my sum was either at the very beginning or at the very end. My greatest number was at the beginning or the end. And so I hope you guys noticed either that or maybe you noticed something else that I haven't noticed yet. So this is what you guys are going to be doing on Friday. You're going to create your own fact family again. And this time you're going to pick one of your number sentences to do with objects. And so I'm going to do this last number sentence. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And I have a bunch of candy that I'm going to use to represent my problem. So I start off with the number 9. So 9 is my total. That's how many I'm going to start with. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And whenever you guys record, I want you to count out loud just like I did so I can hear you and make sure that you guys are doing it correctly. I'm going to put it on here so you guys can see it better. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 Hershey Kisses. And let's say my mom is hungry, and so I'm going to give her 5. Whenever we subtract, we take things away. So I'm going to take 5 Hershey Kisses away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that leaves me with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you guys have objects that you can show me your number sentence with and do exactly what I did. You start off with the beginning number. You're either going to add or you're going to take some away, and then you're going to get your number.
All right, that was it for today, you guys. As always, don't hesitate to message me on Dojo or text me if you have my phone number, or call me if you have any questions. And don't forget after this video to answer the questions that are on the Google Forms. See you guys on Thursday.